So much to learn about, it'll make you want to shout, Blippi!
Hey, it's me, Blippi. Shall we draw a spooky spider web? Yeah! I'm gonna take the color black and draw a plus right in the middle. Yeah, an addition symbol? Yeah, just like that. And then let's draw an X through that. There we go. Whoa! Have you ever felt a spider web? They're so sticky, but did you know they're actually very strong? Whoa! And then let's do a bunch of V's like this, and this is how it attaches to the doorway, or the hallway, or the bathroom door, or the floor, or the ceiling. I don't know, they could be anywhere and everywhere. Yeah, there's a lot of spiders around here. Okay, let's arch like this. It's definitely looking like a spider web, right? Okay, just a few more. Wow, that definitely looks like a spider web. Hey, and watch this. I'll even draw a spider. There we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 legs. Wow, that was so much fun drawing. If you want to keep drawing with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Are you ready? Blippi. Blippi. All right. See you again. Bye-bye.
Come on everyone, let's make learning fun. So much to learn about, it'll make you want to shout,